Hello friends, welcome to the series of Python tutorials. In this series we are going to learn Python from the very basic to the advanced level. Okay, so before we start installing Python, we need to learn how we can move from one directory to another directory programmatically. Okay, so we need to learn command line basics. In these short tutorials we are going to learn how we can find our current directory, list all files in directory, and how we can change the directory. Very basic, right? We have three platforms: Mac, Linux, and Windows. We are going to focus on Windows. Commands for all these platforms are different. Okay, so let's get to our system and search cmd. We will be able to see command prompt under best match, and if you are not able to see it, you need to type the complete phrase and press enter. This is something that we will get. This is our command prompt. First thing, in case if we are working with virtual environments and we have longer paths, so we need to see where we are at right now in this system. So cd, which is current directory, is the command. You need to type it and press enter. You will be able to see where we are, right? And now if I want to see what is in this directory, what does this mojo directory consists of, right? What does this contains? We need to type dir and press enter. We will be able to see what are the folders. For example, documents, downloads, favorites, links, music, OneDrive. These are the folders that I have in this mojo folder. Okay, and this the files and folders which starts with dot, these are the hidden files and folders. All right, now let's see if we want to move into a folder. Let's think we need to go to the downloads folder. We need to type cd, which means change directory. It stands for change directory. Press space and then type in the name DOWNLO downloads. Press enter. So, and let's check the address cd. Press enter. See, we are in the downloads now. Okay, so this is how we get into a folder. Right, if you wish to see what is in this specific directory, press dir, type in dir and press enter. You will be able to see all the files and folder, right? And now if we want to come out of this directory, come back, we want to go from downloads to mojo back, right? So we need to type cd space dot dot and press enter. Do you see we have come out of it, right? You see there, we have come out of downloads and we are in the mojo folder now. Okay, so one thing I would like to add here is that it's not case sensitive. You can type in cd space DOWNLOADS downloads and you will still go there, right? Now let's get back here, and here we are come out. Now if in case we want to, you don't always need to type in all the complete name. You can type in cd space first letter and then tab. It will auto complete the name. Do you see that? Yes, this is it. We can come back. All right, so this was it about it. And if you wish to clean the whole screen, we need to type CLS and press enter. This is how we can clean the whole screen here. All right, in order to exit, we can simply close or type in exit. We will be out of this command prompt. So well, this was the introduction to the command prompt. Thank you for giving me your time. Happy learning. Have a great day. Bye bye.